All right, so here I'm gonna do a 1 week follow-up on the Spectracide weed stop. I applied this to my lawn 1 week ago. As you can see, it's really yellowing up the dollar weeds. They're not as concentrated over here. I actually didn't apply it as heavy over here. You can see I still have a few, but check this out in the spots where I really had dollar weed. Look at this. It looks like it's really doing a number on the dollar weed. I never saw results like this when I used atrazine or Scotch Bonus S. And look at this. This is where they were the heaviest concentration, and they're already starting to dry up, and it looks like they're actually dying down to the root. So hopefully this should solve my problem. My front yard has very similar results. In fact, the front yard has better results than the backyard here. The yellowing is ugly, but I imagine by the end of the next few weeks, that should be gone. Those should be brown and dead, and it should just be grass, and the grass can start filling the place of some of this stuff that was probably killing some grass. So overall, that Spectracide weed stop, I'm probably gonna have to recommend that to anybody. I mean, it's definitely done a lot better than Scotch Bonus S or atrazine. So there's no feed in it. It's just weed, and it kills a ton of different types of weeds. This was not just dollar weeds in here. You can see a bunch of other stuff in here dying that wasn't grass. I just wanted to go ahead and get this taken out. It's good for a good early spring application, so now's the time.